Hi guys, it's Chris with MarketeerSCM.com. Welcome back to another great video. Today I'm gonna talk a little bit about New Year's resolutions. Happy New Year to everybody if we haven't already shared this. But I want to share something with you guys because the last few days I was talking with a few people through the channel. Everybody was saying, oh, my New Year's resolution will be to make more money. My New Year's resolution will be to work harder. My New Year's resolution, like most of the people do, the new year. So always when there's a change of the year, everybody inside of us, we want to put new goals that we want to achieve, and we want the bad things of the previous year to left behind and achieve things which is much better and greater for our future and for our lives. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna give you a small advice that I wish I have implement in my life a little bit earlier. Don't wait for New Year's resolution to put goals, yeah? Don't put yearly goals. It's good to put yearly goals, but you should go back and put daily and weekly and monthly goals, guys. Don't take life for granted, yeah? It's not, nobody can guarantee you're gonna be here tomorrow or next week or next month, yeah? So why wait for New Year's resolution to put a goal? Each day, it's a gift for everybody. You don't know if you're gonna open your eyes the next day, so take each day as a gift for you guys, and take as much action you can each day to improve your life and implement your goals. This is my advice I want to give everybody. I know that the New Year's resolution said I'm gonna start going to the gym, I'm gonna quit smoking, I'm gonna work harder, I'm gonna make this, I'm gonna make that. Guys, each day you should, I have created a video in the past and I put that the biggest weapon that you can use achieving your goals is getting a notebook and write each day the goals you want to achieve for the next day. Each day you should have something written down that is gonna help you implement your goals. So let's say, for example, you want to lose weight. Write down what steps you think you should be doing each day to help you go closer to this one. So let's say, for example, I want to work out half an hour a day. It doesn't matter if it's at the gym or home. There is no excuse. If you want to do it, put half an hour down to do it. I want to eat better. I want to stop eating junk food. All these things will help you. If you write them down and each day you go back at the end of the night when you sit down, you should sit and see which goals did you achieve for the day and which goals you want to do tomorrow. And this will give you a big motivation. If you write it down, guys, it will give you a huge motivation, and you will see if you achieve it, it's gonna make you feel amazing and you're gonna feel great, and it's gonna give you the energy to move on for the next day. And I tell you, this is the way you should do it. Write it down, make your goals daily, not yearly, daily. And also with the same logic, follow these videos, guys. Everybody's here on this channel for making better financial income, yeah? So follow the videos, find the videos that's better for you. Even if it's not my channel, find somebody that's inspiring you and start following, start working out towards this goal to make better financial income, because if you work, it will happen. This is what I wanted to show you guys. This is what I want to talk today. Don't wait for the end of the year to make resolutions. Each day is a resolution, guys. Each day is a gift. You should take as much as possible action to complete your goals. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video very soon. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.